There's also a bird you've probably seen over in our Australia exhibits. It's pretty new. You might not even know what it sounds like. You want to show that one off? You do. Okay. You are so nice to share all these animal sounds with us today. You are so good. You want to turn around and face everybody? Yeah. Can we have the talking end, please? There we go. How about your kookaburra? Oh, yeah. That was a beautiful kookaburra. But Keto is very, very special because she actually learned how to sing. She sings a very cool song. I'm sure you've probably heard about it before. We're going to see if she'd like to show that out for you today. We're going to see if you want to get your attention here. Yeah, that's a grackle. You don't need those. You ready? Let's sing.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm. Oh, and on that farm had a oh, and on that farm had a everywhere. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. Oh,
very good. One of those verses was so good you had to hear it twice.